KoocinayPH. Easy recipe ideas every day. For today's recipe,
Pork Chop Supreme. Ingredients: 4 boneless pork chops, 4 medium potatoes thinly sliced, 1 envelope onion soup mix, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1/4 cup milk, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup oil for browning. Quick steps. 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and lightly grease a baking dish. 2. Season the pork chops. Sprinkle both sides with salt and pepper. 3. Brown the pork chops. Heat oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the pork chops for 2 to 3 minutes per side until lightly browned. Set aside. 4. Prepare the potatoes. Arrange the thinly sliced potatoes evenly in the bottom of the baking dish. 5. Make the sauce. In a bowl, mix cream of mushroom soup, milk, and onion soup mix until smooth. 6. Assemble. Place the browned pork chops on top of the potatoes and pour the sauce mixture evenly over everything. 7. Bake. Cover with foil and bake for an hour until the potatoes are tender and the pork chops are fully cooked. 8. Serve. Let rest for a few minutes, then serve warm with the creamy potatoes and sauce. Juicy pork chops baked over tender potatoes in a rich, creamy onion mushroom sauce.
save this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe to KoocinayPH.